Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today the kids said they wanted fried chicken with chips, and we did this at home. Fried chicken with chips and honey roasted carrots. Join me, let's fry some chicken. For the honey roasted carrots, we used 7 carrot sticks, scraped, cleaned, and patted dry with a kitchen towel. In a small bowl, add half a teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce, 2 teaspoons sesame oil, 1 cup honey. Mix it all together very well. Now arrange the carrots on a baking tray. Brush with the honey mix. As you roast, you will be bringing it out at intervals to turn, baste with the honey mix, and continue roasting until the carrots are tender, golden brown, and succulent. Now for our chicken. This chicken has been soaked in brine. That's a solution of salt, sugar, and water for about 2 hours. You can soak it for overnight or longer than 2 hours. It's still okay. This is to tenderize the chicken and to make it very flavorful. Remove the chicken from the brine. Now into a wide bowl with a sieve placed over it. Add 2 cups of flour, your normal all-purpose flour, 2 cups of corn starch, also known as corn flour. Sieve it. Now season it with 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon barbecue seasoning, 2 teaspoons cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon chicken seasoning, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it all together very well. You can use a small whisk or a fork. This will be our dredge for our chicken before we fry it. Now into a deep saucepan, we pour our vegetable oil, enough for deep frying. Allow it to heat up very well. While we wait for the oil to heat up and be hot enough, we can start dredging the chicken. Now, before we put it into the hot oil, we'll dredge it again Double dredging helps your chicken to have a very good crust and be crunchy. Be careful while dropping it in the oil so you don't splash oil everywhere. Our chicken is cooking very well, as you can see. We'll let it become golden in color. Now our chicken is ready. Can you see how golden and succulent they've become? They are really nice. We've served our platter, crispy, succulent, and yummy platter of fried chicken, honey roasted carrots with oven roasted chips, served with the side of barbecue sauce. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notification so you don't miss a video when I upload. See you next time when I'll be sharing another delicious recipe from my kitchen to yours. Bye.